Hey everyone, you are watching GuideZen and today I will show you what's new update call scheduling in 2025. Just open WhatsApp application, WhatsApp official app. Alright, WhatsApp now allows scheduling voice or video calls. Open a chat or a group, tap the call button. Now you need to click on the call section, go to calls tab, and here a new update schedule call. Choose voice or a video call, means call type. Set the time and date and add a short title also. Everyone and keep in mind that WhatsApp will send reminders to everyone and participants that can join with one tap. Perfect for meetings, classes and family calls. If this update helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GuideZen for more WhatsApp tutorials. I hope this short tutorial is helpful. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and best of luck.